Well, they've been definitely making a whole lot of snow all over the state. This is a live view looking over Boyne Mountain. And by the way, you can head to fox17online.com and check out our ski conditions report from the week. But again, with all the really cold air, every single ski resort has been making a tremendous amount of snow over the last couple of weeks. Downtown Grand Rapids, you can see we still have that fresh blanket of snow on the ground. We've had a little light snow in the area so far today. Not much in terms of the amounts. But again, if you're on one of those secondary and side roads in a neighborhood street, you certainly could have just a few slippery spots here and there. Hey, we made it to 32 degrees yesterday in Grand Rapids. It was the second warmest day we've had so far this month of January. In fact, only 2 days have featured temperatures at or above average, while much of the month we've been stuck with highs in the 20s. That certainly has allowed all of that great snowmaking at area ski resorts. So scattered snow showers will be with us, just very light today. Could even see a little batch of freezing drizzle mixing in as temperatures are warming up back into the low 30s for highs today. An Arctic cold front will roll through the area this evening, and that will energize the snow showers. The most favorable timing of that would be between about 5:30 and 6 this evening through 9 or 10 o'clock this evening, rolling through just with a period of some rather intense snow banding coming through. The amounts, a couple of inches at the most, but the timing of that, if you are out and about for any evening activities, you certainly want to pay attention to what could become some trickier traveling conditions. By the way, that'll be generated by an Arctic cold front, and as that rolls through, it'll energize the lake effect snow machine as we head into Monday, Tuesday, and early Wednesday. This morning, temperatures in the mid to upper 20s. You can see upstream that core of cold air, temperatures in the single digits above to just a little bit below zero. Wind chills across our area are in the teens, but look at this really cold air. 30 below zero, the current wind chill in Minot, North Dakota. So we've got that really cold air that we're going to be tapping. As you can see here, the upper level steering winds will be buckling to the south in the Great Lakes region, and that's going to act like that conveyor belt for that really cold Canadian air. By Wednesday, we see the core of that colder air retreating off to the north and northeast. We moderate temperatures again to finish the week and into the weekend. By the end of next weekend, we get another shot of really cold air that will be streaming back in. So overall, the weather pattern is going to continue to be unseasonably cold and snowier than average for much of the rest of January. Here's a look at the big weather maker on the map, and as this area of low pressure moves eastward, we've got a number of advisories in effect off to the north and northwest, the UP, northern Wisconsin, central and northern Minnesota. For us, again, with that cold front coming through the area this evening, that will provide the most dynamic lift in the atmosphere, generating the best potential for an area of snow to come through. And after that, we'll have that colder air streaming in, and that's going to energize those snow showers as we head through Monday night, and Tuesday. And with some stronger winds, those snow bands are actually going to come inland a little further. Here's a look at the system snow, though. That'll be with us through tonight and early in the day tomorrow. As you can see, by tomorrow evening, we'll have a widespread 1 to perhaps 3 inches of fresh snow, and that will be followed by more in the way of snow shower activity as we head into Tuesday and early Wednesday. You can see that moderating trend as we close out the week and head into the beginning of next weekend, but the overall pattern, the 8 to 14 day outlook, takes us into the 4th week of January with a lot of cold air on the map all across much of the United States.